Today, we're tackling a question that's been popping up a lot. Can I link my Apple Card to PocketGuard? If you're an Apple Card user and a PocketGuard fan, this is a question that's probably been on your mind. Let's dive in and find out. Understanding Apple Card and PocketGuard. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's quickly recap what Apple Card and PocketGuard are. Apple Card is a credit card issued by Goldman Sachs and tied to your Apple Wallet. It offers unique features like daily cash, which gives you a cashback reward on every purchase. On the other hand, PocketGuard is a personal finance app that helps you track your income and expenses, set budgets, and even forecast your future finances. The direct link, a quick answer. Now, the million-dollar question: can you directly link your Apple Card to PocketGuard? Unfortunately, as of now, there's no direct integration between the two. PocketGuard doesn't have a built-in feature to connect with Apple Card. This means you can't automatically sync your Apple Card transactions into PocketGuard. Workarounds, manual entry, or third-party apps. But don't fret. There are a few workarounds you can try. Manual entry. The most straightforward method is to manually enter your Apple Card transactions into PocketGuard. While this might seem tedious, it's a reliable way to keep your finances up to date. Just make sure to check your Apple Card activity regularly and input the transactions into PocketGuard. Third-party apps. There are several third-party apps that can help bridge the gap between Apple Card and PocketGuard. These apps often act as intermediaries, pulling your transactions from Apple Card and syncing them with PocketGuard. Some popular options include In-App. You Need a Budget is a popular budgeting app that can connect to your Apple Card and automatically sync your transactions. Mint is another well-known personal finance app that offers integration with Apple Card. Personal Capital is a wealth management platform that can also connect to your Apple Card and provide detailed financial insights. Choosing the right workaround for you. The best workaround for you will depend on your personal preferences and needs. If you're comfortable with manual entry and don't mind spending a bit of time each day, that might be the simplest option. However, if you prefer a more automated approach, a third-party app could be a better fit. Additional tips for using Apple Card with PocketGuard. Here are a few additional tips to help you manage your Apple Card and PocketGuard effectively. Regularly check your Apple Card activity. Keep an eye on your Apple Card transactions to ensure they're accurate and up-to-date. Categorize your transactions. In PocketGuard, categorize your Apple Card transactions to get a better understanding of where your money is going. Set a budget for your Apple Card. If you're concerned about overspending, set a budget for your Apple Card in PocketGuard. Take advantage of Apple Card's features. Don't forget to utilize the unique features of Apple Card, like Daily Cash and Apple Pay. While there's no direct link between Apple Card and PocketGuard at the moment, you can still effectively manage your finances by using manual entry or third-party apps. By following these tips and choosing the right approach for you, you can seamlessly integrate your Apple Card into your overall financial tracking and budgeting. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.